Good morning, students. In the previous class, I completed chapter 1. Today, I am going to start new chapter 2, fractions and decimals. In the previous class, I also told you to read this page number 32. I hope all of you have read. Still, I am again reading this page because there are so many definitions which are very helpful to understand this chapter. Let us start. First is fractions. A fraction is a part of a whole or a collection. It is represented as x upon y, where x is called the numerator and y is called the denominator of the fraction. A fraction is a part of whole or collection. How? Fraction is a part of whole or a collection. How? Let us see here in the starting. See this page. Here in the picture there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 butterflies. Out of these 10 butterflies, some are black, some are grey, and one is white. There are some conditions on this page. See, situation is number of grey butterflies to total number of 10 butterflies. Number of grey butterflies. How many grey butterflies are there in this picture? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 butterflies are in grey color and to total number of butterflies. What is the total number of butterflies? 10. So out of 10, 5 are grey color. We will write it 5 upon 10. Next situation is number of black butterflies to total number of butterflies. Again, number of black butterflies to total number of butterflies. How many are black? 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 10, 4 are black. So we will write 4 upon 10. Number of white butterflies to total number of butterflies. Only one is white. Which one? This one. So we will write it 1 upon 10. Students, it is very easy. This is just like as you write your marks. If you got 6 marks out of 10, then you write 6 upon 10. If you got 9 out of 10, you write 9 upon 10. If you got 18 out of 20, then you will write 18 upon 20. In the same way, we are writing these fractions. Number of grey butterflies. This is number of grey butterflies to number of black butterflies. How many are grey? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are grey and number of black butterflies. Black butterflies are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 5 upon 4. Next situation is number of white butterflies. White butterfly is 1 upon number of black butterflies. Black butterflies are 4. Next situation is number of white butterflies 1 to number of grey butterflies. How many grey butterflies? 5. Then it is 1 upon 5. Now students, you are looking here different type of fraction. Here in this fraction, numerator is smaller, denominator is greater. Here also numerator is smaller, denominator is greater. Here numerator is 1. Here also numerator 1. Here also. Here numerator is greater but denominator is smaller. So what is the difference between these situation? Let us see definition, then I will tell you. See, first is like fractions have the same denominators. Example 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 5 upon 10, 7 upon 10. Means fractions having the same denominator. If denominators are same, then those fractions are known as like fraction. Students, you have already studied these all definition in class 6. See here it is written. Let us quickly revise what we had learned about fractions in class 6. It means you have studied about these definitions in class 6. So all the fractions having same denominators are known as like fraction. If denominators are same, here denominators are 10. If all the fractions are having denominator 15, then they are like fractions. Unlike fractions have different denominators. Examples: in unlike fractions, denominators are different. So fractions having different denominators are known as unlike fractions. Next, the numerator of a proper fraction is less than its denominator. See here that this definition: if numerator is smaller than denominator, then fraction is known as proper fraction. Here see 4 upon 5, numerator is smaller, denominator is greater. Numerator is smaller, denominator is greater. 2 upon 7, numerator is smaller than denominator. 3 upon 10, numerator is smaller than denominator. So students, here in this table, these are proper fraction. Here also numerator is smaller than denominator. Numerator is smaller than denominator, so it is also proper fraction. Here, not in all of them, only these two fractions are proper fractions. Now come to next definition. The numerator of an improper fraction is greater than its denominator. Means if numerator is greater than denominator, then fraction is known as improper fraction. See for example 8 upon 5. Here numerator is greater, numerator is greater, the denominator is smaller. 5 upon 3, numerator is greater, denominator is smaller. 11 upon 7, numerator is greater than denominator. All these four fractions have numerator greater than denominator. So here in this table, this one is improper. Here numerator is greater than denominator. It is improper fraction. Next, mixed fraction is the combination of a whole number and a fraction and a proper fraction. Students, you have seen numbers written like this. This type of fraction are known as mixed fraction. This mixed fraction is consist of two numbers, one is whole number and other is proper fraction. Here this number is known as whole number, 2 is the whole number, then 1 upon 5 is a proper fraction because here numerator is smaller than denominator. Here 5 is whole number and 2 upon 3 is proper fraction because 2 is smaller than 3, numerator is smaller than denominator. Two or more fractions having the same value are called equivalent fractions. If टू और मोर फ्रैक्शन, अगर दो या दो से ज्यादा फ्रैक्शंस की वैल्यू सेम है, देन दे आर नोन एज इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. सी हियर 4 upon 5, 8 upon 10. If we simplify this 8 upon 10, we again get 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 4 upon 5. If I write here 20 upon 25, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25. This is also all these three are equivalent fraction. Next, two fractions are equal if their cross products are equal. See here, two fractions are given. 4 upon 5 is equal 8 upon 10. If we do cross multiplication here, 4 into 10 and 5 into 8. See, 10 4 ja 40, 5 8 ja 40. Their cross products are equal. This type of fractions are equal fractions. 4 upon 5 is equal 8 upon 10 if 4 multiplied 10 is equal 8 multiply 5. Next is the numerator and denominator of the simplest form of a fraction will not have common factors except 1. Example, simplest form of 35 upon 25 is, we can simplify it by 5. 5 7 ja 35, 5 5 ja 25. 7 upon 5. Numerator and denominator of simplest form of a fraction will not have common factors except 1. If I am writing here 4 upon 7. Students, can we simplify this 4 upon 7? Think. Socho. No. We cannot simplify this 4 upon 7. It means this is in its simplest form. numerator and denominator of the simplest form of a fraction will not have common factors except 1. It means we can simplify it only by 1. If I am writing suppose 5 upon 11, we can simplify it? No, it cannot be simplified. So it is also in its simplest form. Like fractions can be compared by comparing the numerators. Example 2 upon 10, 5 upon 10. See here, this 2 upon 10 and 5 upon 10 both are having same denominator, that is 10. You have just read about like fractions. Like fractions have the same denominator. So this 2 upon 10 and 5 upon 10, both these fractions are like fractions because they are having same denominator and they can be compared only by comparing their numerator. Fraction having small numerator will be smaller and factor and numerator and fraction having greater numerator will be greater. It means here 2 is smaller than this 5. So 2 upon 10 is smaller than 5 upon 10. Students, again I am telling you in Hindi, अगर दो फ्रैक्शंस के डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तब वो वाला फ्रैक्शन छोटा होगा जिसका न्यूमरेटर छोटा होता है और जिस फ्रैक्शन का न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होता है वो फ्रैक्शन बड़ा होगा. Next, the sum or difference of like fractions can be found by adding or subtracting the numerators. 7 upon 10 plus 2 upon 10 is equal 9 upon 10. अगर दो fractions के denominator same है, if two fractions are having same denominator, then we can find their sum only by adding their numerator. अगर दो fractions के denominator same है तो हम उन दोनों के न्यूमरेटर को ऐड करके उनका सम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. सिंपली सी 7 plus 2 9 upon 10. इन द सेम वे वी कैन फाइंड देयर डिफरेंस ऑल्सो. हम उन्हें सब्ट्रैक्ट भी इसी तरह से कर सकते हैं. 7 upon 10 minus 2 upon 10. 7 minus 2 5. Here it is 5 not 3. 5 upon 10 because they are having same denominator. Now we can write it like this. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 1 upon 2. Next, unlike fractions have to be converted into like fractions before comparing or adding or subtracting them. If we are having two unlike fractions, see here 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. These two fractions are unlike because their denominator are not same. In this case, first we will find their LCM, then we will add or subtract or we will compare them. Okay? And student, one situation left here. See, number of butterflies to total number of butterfly, it is 1 upon 10. If numerator is 1, then it is known as unit fraction. Here also it is unit fraction. This is also unit fraction. Okay? Now come to exercise 2A. First question is find the product for each of the following. We have to find the product all these sums. I have written, students, these sums in my register. Let us start. Try to understand. It is, first part is 2 multiply 1 upon 8. So students, this 2 will be taken as numerator and we will write this 2 multiply 1 upon 8, this 8. Now see here, can we simplify it? Yes, we can simplify it, this 2 and 8. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. Now it is 1 multiply 1 upon 4. 1 multiply 1, this 1 multiply 1 upon this 4. So it is 1 1 ja 1 upon 4. Now come to next part, 10 into 5 upon 2. We will write it this 10 into 5 upon 2. Again see, can we simplify this? Yes, we can simplify. This 2 and this 10. 2 1 ja 2 and this 2 5 ja 10. So this time it is 5 into 5 equal 5 into 5 upon 1. 5 5 ja 25. Students, when in a fraction there is 1 as a denominator, if denominator is 1, then we will not write it. We will write only numerator. We will write it 5 5 ja 25. Next, 5 multiply 3 upon 10. This 5 we will take as numerator only, into 3 upon 10. Again we can simplify here. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. Now 1 into 3 upon this 2. So 3 1 ja 3 upon 2. Now it is, students, an improper fraction or proper fraction? It is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So if it is an improper fraction, we will change it into mixed number by dividing. We will divide this 3 by this 2. See how? See here. We will divide this 3 by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 1 remainder. So this will be as a whole number. This is as a whole number. So we will write it 1 is to 1 upon 2. This is whole number. This 1 is whole number. So this we will write here, and then this 1 upon 2. Come to next. It is 5 upon 3 into 99. See, now this time it is written in reverse order. First we have written this fraction, then whole number. So it will be, we will write it 5 upon 3 into 99. 5 upon 3 into 99. Again we can simplify here. This is 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9. So it is 5 into 33 upon this 1. 5 3 ja 15, carry 1, 5 3 ja 15 and 1 16. 1 we will not write. Next, 3 upon 85. Students, 3 upon 85 into 45. How can we simplify it? We can simplify this 45 and 85 by 5. 5 9 ja 45, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30, 5 7 ja 35, 5 8 ja 40, 5 9 ja 45. We will, this one 5 1 ja 5, 3 remainder 35, 5 7 ja 35. Now it is 3 into 9 upon 17, means 3 9 ja 27 upon 17. Again it is an improper fraction or proper? Again it is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So we will divide it again. We will divide this 27 by 17. 17 1 ja 17, 7 minus 7 0, 2 minus 1 1. This is whole number and this is fraction. We will write it as whole number. So we will write it 1 is to 10 upon 17. Next, 13 upon 5 into 80. We can simplify 5 and 80. We cannot simplify 5 and 13. We can simplify this 5 and 80. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 3 remainder 30, 5 6 ja 30. Now this 13 into 16 upon 1. We will multiply this 13 and 16. 16 1 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 16 3 ja 48, carry 4, 16 1 ja 16 and 4 20. Now here this is 100 into 6 upon 625. Here we will simplify this one by 5. 5 2 ja 10, 0. 5 1 ja 5, 1 remainder 12. 5 2 ja 10, 2 remainder, 5 5 ja 25. Again we can simplify it. See, 20 into 6 upon 125. Simplify this one again. 5 4 ja 20, 5 2 ja 10, 2 remainder, 5 5 ja 25. Now it is 4 into 6 upon 25. 4 6 ja 24 upon 25. What type of fraction is this? This is a proper fraction because its numerator is smaller than denominator. Last part, 56 into 10 upon 39. Students, in this question we cannot simplify any number. So we will direct multiply 56 10 ja 560 upon this 39. Why we have multiplied here? Because we cannot simplify it at any cost. Now it is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So again we will divide it. We will divide this 560 by 39. 39 1 ja 39. 16 minus 9 7. 4 minus 3 1. Now this 0. Now 39 1 ja 39. 39 2 ja 78. 39 3 ja 3 9 ja 27. Carry 2. 3 3 ja 9 and 2 11 117 and 39 4 ja 4 9 ja 36. Carry 3. 4 3 ja 12 and 3 15 156. We can take here 4 ja 156. Subtract it. 10 minus 6 4. 6 minus 5 1. So we will write this 14 as a whole number. 14 is to 14. This 14. This is remainder. Remainder is written here in numerator upon this 39. Okay students, I think up to it is clear. Up to here it is clear. So today we will do up to here. In next class we will do remaining questions. Okay students, thank you students and have a nice day.